from True Health. I'm going to demonstrate foam rolling for your calf and hamstrings. We often get a lot of tightness from walking, exercising, or injuries. You want to think of foam rolling as a giant rolling pin. It's going to roll out any adhesions, which is like scar tissue, knots, anything like that that can cause pain throughout your whole lower limbs. So to start out, we're going to foam roll those hamstrings. You're going to start right below your glutes. You're just going to roll up to right above the knee and then back down. To do the calves, we're going to do right below the knee, up again. You're going to roll over those calves and then back to that starting point, not going down into that tendon. You can do that about 10 to 12 times on both, and it's going to help break up any scar tissue that we've got going on in there.